Hey guys, welcome back. So today we will learn how to add links to your web page. So how it is done? It is done like this. We'll use an anchor tag. It is represented by A. Sorry, it is represented by A. So A is an anchor tag, and ref is a tag where we determine the URL or link where you want to send the certain image or text or anything. Okay, so I want to send my I'll write here, go to YouTube. Okay, I saved and I refresh my page. So as I tab on go to YouTube, it does nothing. Why? Because I have not given any link over here. So as I give the link to YouTube, okay, this is the link to YouTube. As I give this link, it will do something like this. As I refresh my page and click go to YouTube, what it does, it goes to YouTube. So if I want it to go and open in another tab, what I will do? I will do use and tag target. So target blank will give an underscore is equal to 0. So as you now see, my tab is the tab to the link is opening in another tab. So the topic for today is covered. In next video, I will tell you guys how to put an image in your web page, and if you want to use links and picture together, how you will do it. So meet you in the next. So for tomorrow, it's very much. Goodbye.